Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Max Easy. To begin, first navigate to the Max Easy website and locate the Sign Up button. You'll need to provide a valid email address and create a secure password. Once your account is verified, which typically takes less than 1 minute, you can proceed to the dashboard. This initial setup is designed to be straightforward, ensuring you can access the platform's core functionalities without delay. Once logged in, you'll see the intuitive dashboard, your central hub for all activities. On the left, a clear navigation panel allows you to effortlessly switch between essential modules such as projects, tasks, and analytics. Each module is designed for ease of use with clearly labeled sections. For instance, the Projects section lets you manage up to 50 active projects simultaneously, while Analytics provides data visualizations updated every 5 seconds. To truly maximize your efficiency, explore the advanced customization options. Head to the Settings menu to tailor your dashboard layout, adding or removing widgets to suit your specific needs. You can also set up custom alerts for critical events, ensuring you're always informed. Furthermore, Max Easy supports integration with more than 20 external tools, allowing you to connect your existing software for a unified workflow and even greater productivity gains. Encountering an issue? Our extensive knowledge base, accessible via the Help icon, offers solutions for common problems, from login difficulties to data export challenges. For optimal performance, we recommend using a modern web browser and ensuring your internet speed is at least 25 megabits per second. Remember to regularly review user permissions and backup critical data, which can be done with just 2 clicks, to maintain a secure and efficient environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.